Peace, blessings, and love to the melanated family. This is the elder out of New Orleans coming to you with another informative video. All praises to our creators and our ancestors who came before us, gave us wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. But family, this video will be about the Roland Martin and Stephen A. Disagreement or gossip. Basically, that's what it is. Stephen A. Smith came out and said he wished all black people would vote Republican. Then Roland Martin, he responded, because you know he's a diehard Democrat shield. He loved them folks. He had nothing but love for him. Anytime he was tap dancing with Hillary Clinton. But the reason I'm making this video, I want to respond to both of them. Stephen A. Smith, I think he's a Republican. Stephen A., what has the Republican Party ever done for black people? That's what I like to know. Tell me, Stephen A. Smith, because you there coping for him, coping for MAGA, coping for 34 convicted felon, Roland Martin. What has the Democratic Party ever done for black people, Roland? I like to know. Bringing in immigrants, giving immigrants reparations, giving them this, that, and the other. Roland Martin, what has the Black Congressional Congress ever done for black people? Never talk about reparations. You ain't never talk about it. Stephen A. Smith ain't never talk about it. That we rightly deserve. The many years of struggle, the many years of depleting our people, working our people for nothing, making laws only for them, the Democratic Party and the Republican Party. Sitting out there arguing about the Voters' Rights Act. And what has voting done for us? I'd like to know, as far as the government giving away reparations to black Americans. Where's the hate bill cry? Roland Martin, Stephen A. Smith, where's that? Where's the reparations? Where's the police brutality bill? Where's that? Neither one of those people or groups, as far as the Republican Party, as far as the Democratic Party, they come together against us. They have no love for the black Americans, none at all. And they show it every day. They've been showing it ever since they came here and stole the land from so-called black Americans who was already living here in America, which a lot of y'all don't know nothing about. That's right. You're working for Mr. Charlie. You're pleasing them. Stephen A. Smith and Roland Martin. So y'all arguing with each other doesn't make no sense to me. Because both of y'all going along with an evil, unrighteous, and ungodly agenda that the Democratic Party and the Republican Party are putting out against black Americans. That's right, family. So all that nonsense about an organ for this and an organ for that. Neither one of them don't care nothing about no black people. That's right, family. Well, we're going to cut this video short. Peace and love. Put up the likes and shares, and we're going to let the horns blow before we get on out of here.
Okay, I have a question from another small business owner. Dear office ladies, how late is too late to send
Peace
an
and
office
blessings.
email?
The latest I've sent an email was 11:15.
Well, last night you sent one at midnight.
Oh, but you responded. How could I not? It
Sorry
was a
for
great
this
header.
commercial.
Come on now.
Come on now.
Meet Sabrina Gonzalez, Walmart pharmacist extraordinaire. In her 9 years of Walmart,
Sorry about that, family. We're going to let the horns blow a while before we get on out of here. Make sure you put up the likes on this video, share this video, and make sure you hit the hype button. Hit that hype button. Because ain't nobody putting out the truth. Everybody lying and conniving. Yeah, we're going to let the horn blow. Let freedom ring. Let the children sing. Blow that trumpet, my brother. Blow it to the heavens. Blow it to the ancestors. Blow it up north, down south, east and west. Let them blow to the African continent. Let them blow in the Caribbean. Let them blow all over the planet. Peace and love. Yeah, let the horn blow. Let freedom ring. Let the beautiful children sing. Let them blow in Papua New Guinea, Australia. Let them blow to the black population in Europe. Make sure you share this video and hit that hype button, family. Yeah, let them blow. Let freedom ring. Let the children sing. Yeah, let them blow, family. Peace and love. Blow that trumpet, blow that trumpet. Peace and love. Yeah, let freedom ring and the children sing. Peace and blessing, family. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you hit the hype button and stay tuned for the next video or live stream. and the Baba is out of here.